Let's go, guys. For today's video, I will cook butter chicken by Julian Santos version. Look at that, guys. This is the chicken. I cut like this, small like this, without skin. Yes. And this is the ingredients. I marinated for black pepper, cumin, chili flakes, chili powder, salt, and ginger. Let's go. And of course, I put in yogurt, 1 cup. Yes. Let's go, guys. Now I marinated the chicken. Make sure the chicken I strain well here in the strainer. And now I will put it the all ingredients to marinate up. I think 10 to 15 minutes. The black pepper, the salt, cumin, chili powder, and chicken masala, and 1 cup of yogurt. I add a little bit salt to taste, and look at that, guys. I will marinate it. I marinate 10 to 15 minutes. Smell good. Now let's go, guys. I will saute the butter chicken. This is the butter. Of course, I will add some little olive oil. And then I will put it the chicken against the light ng ating video. Thank you. I will put it the low fire, and then I mix the chicken. Look at that, guys. That is the butter chicken version of Maria Variety Vlogs. Wait lang natin na mag-little brown. And we cover it. Ba't din sinubos yan kasi? Thank you, Lord. Lagay mo kaya dun sa isda na iinitin. Kainin natin ngayon. Pero wala, iinitin ko naman. It's not a problem. It's same vegetable, right? Shout out to all my legit friends and supporters on my YouTube channel. I'm back. Cooking vlog. With Maria Variety Vlogs. Look at that, guys. The chicken is become a light brown. Butter chicken by Maria Variety Vlogs. It's coming. This is my first time to cook a butter chicken. This is a Indian recipe. And I will watch on the Judy Ann Santos blog for this recipe. Shout out Miss Judy Ann Santos, the famous artist in the Philippines and chef. Ilagay mo dun, initin natin. Pakuluan lang yan. Ano, ikaw, ano plano mo? Ayun yung fish, oh. Mamaya pagkakain natin, magkakalakad tayo, dadali na naman natin yung basura. I'm making the sauce for the buttered chicken. What? Palitin natin ito. Kasi natasabi na yung aking ano. Walang ko na? Look at that, guys. They become light brown. I cover it again. Look at that, guys. My chicken. Wala pa nakulo. Okay. Look at that, guys. My butter chicken. It's almost done. I only need to make the sauce. Maluluto talaga yan. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, smell good. Ooh, so yummy. Looks yummy. Shout out Single Mom EG Vlog. I'm cooking your favorite buttered chicken by Maria Variety Vlogs. Look at that. It's coming to cook na. Sorry I didn't invite you because I know you're so busy life. So that's it. Now I need to saute the sauce. Look at that, guys. Looks so yummy. Now I need to saute the sauce. And I put it the butter. This is the butter. I put, I think, 2 spoons. So, taste butter because it's butter chicken. And then I put it the garlic. Melt it already, so I will put it the onion. A lot of onion to taste good. I need to add butter. I using butter this one.
Parang magpakanta ko ng bulog eh.
The smell. Of course, I put it little bit olive oil. And of course, I put it the tomato. This tomato I blend or I make it on processor. Because I don't have blender, so I using processor. This butter I use, unsalted. This is the butter chicken. Muntik magdugo yung bituka niya, sabi ng doktor. And of course, I added black pepper.
Yung panahon nila magyawa. Nagyawa ka ng panahon na yan. Sama ba yan sa pamina?
Look at that my sauce of butter chicken.
Siya isang taon sa Nairobi. Alam mo yung wala kang makita na disya ko ano sila yung kakahuyan. Mga ano sila mo o ano sila yung
And then I put it again the chicken.
ay grabe. Kaya kung may mga gout ka, mamatay talaga yung gout ka. Kasi doon lagi siya. Yung alam mo yung ulan na tumapalat na yung kunti-kunti ang siya. Tapos alam mo yung mga ano yung lupa nila, na itim. Alam mo yung namili ka ng nilay at dyan. Alam mo yung may lupa ka. Yes. Ito yung mga ayan. Giraffe.
I add little bit butter.
Pero ang ginawa ng hunting, alam mo yung mga pangyayari, yung mga talagang parang musang, hinahunting, hunting. Oo. Hindi kami nakakapili sa yung parang green na yan. Doon kami parang mukha siya disyerto, nag-camping ba? Tapos nag-hunting na ano, kaya na. Yung parang harista. Oo, sa ganyan makita niyo. Yung mga tao ang makita niyo.
This is the finished product of my butter chicken. Look at that, guys. Looks so yummy.
Pagkali ang luto, alam mo yun? Pagkali ang luto, eh. Luto lang mo ka. Pag ito niluluto ko, hindi nilalagyan ng mga okay na to.